Through the years, the IDA have definitely helped us in expanding the business here in Letterkenny, and I think without their support we wouldn't have been able to get to where we are today.
So Sita, first and foremost, are a technology company. We're 100% dedicated to the air transport industry and a global leader in air travel tech. Sita itself has put a lot of faith in the location here, and that's because of the people and the talent that we've been able to attract and retain.
I was born here in Letterkenny. When I left college and I studied down at the ATU here, and I got a job with Sita. So for me personally, it's great to be able to stay at home and have an industry like this based locally in our town.
We are a very regional office. It's a small location population-wise, which means that people get to know each other much better maybe than other locations. We do employ a lot of local people, but equally we have people from all over the world looking to settle here in particular.
With my experience living in Letterkenny, I found this is a place really I can balance career as well as fulfilling my personal life, surrounded by nature and good people.
Genesys have been looking for a location in Europe for quite a while to build out their AI practice. Here in Galway we have a population of 20,000 students. We have a world-class computer science program. We have software companies that work together. We can organise training, meetups, and generally there's a community of the willing to grow the software industry here in the West of Ireland.
In particular, over the last couple of years since the pandemic, we've seen a lot more movement. Employees in different countries will be requesting to move to Genesys Ireland, and we have a trusted partner status, which means faster permit processing times, and we can move quickly through that hiring process.
In Canada, we don't have as much time off as we would over in Europe, and it's been amazing. Like I've got a young family, so it's amazing just to have a bit of that extra time off. It's really been a welcome change, and I honestly think it allows me to bring a better version of myself to the workplace.
Qualcomm is an American multinational, started in 1985. It's known for 3G, 4G, 5G enablement. Today we have over 50,000 people globally, and Ireland being one of its main sites.
We are running what we call it hardware penetration testing team, identifying vulnerability or security flaws in Qualcomm products and reporting that to the company.
One of the big advantages of being located in Cork is the local talent here in UCC and MTU, but we also have a diverse network throughout Europe that allows us to hire great talent, and this has contributed to us creating an environment here of young engineers, the next generation of Qualcomm.
Qualcomm Ireland is a very diverse company, so we have over 42 nationalities here on site. We also have lots of employee network groups, so it's a really good way of employees to get to know each other from a kind of a professional and a personal level as well. I lived in Cork, did all my schooling in Cork, my university as well, so to be able to kind of move your career along and kind of progress in your career in different areas of the tech industry, all while staying in Cork, it's brilliant.
The IDA have been really with us from the beginning, being able to facilitate the type of R&D that we want to do here in Letterkenny.
They have worked with us and generally have been a good partner right across any of the issues we've had.
IDA have been a key stakeholder for the site, helping us advise on how to create an ecosystem here, and it's a tribute to IDA that we are now creating a cluster here in Cork.